Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now looking at both the Australian dollar versus US dollar and the New Zealand dollar versus US dollar, both exhibiting in the very short term in here a slightly more negative tone, but the underlying bullish theme that we've seen in here from September still very much intact, and we do see risk for both these currency pairs, both Aussie US dollar and Kiwi versus US dollar, both shifting to more positive as we go into October, although the very short term bias for the beginning of October is lower. So for Aussie dollar, you can see this sell-off that we saw in the very end of September in here. US dollar strength coming through. We had a slight shift back to a risk-off scenario globally, and then we saw this sell-off then in Aussie dollar, a rally in the US dollar relative, and that does leave slight downside pressures in the very short term. However, we do see the intermediate term, maybe the 1 to 2 week outlook as pushing higher, and if the market can get above this 73.82 level, then we think that's enough to create a far better bottoming pattern in here and shift the intermediate term outlook to bullish. It's a similar technical outlook for the New Zealand dollar. Again, very short term US dollar strength pushing Kiwi dollar, US dollar lower, and we do see risk for another poke lower in here into the beginning of this week for the very early part of October. However, further into October, maybe later this week and into mid-October, we do see threat shifting higher and real threat for a push above these dual peaks up here at 67.21. And if we get above here, then again, it looks like a better bottoming pattern and then an intermediate term shift from bearish to bullish. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading day.